In this video, I'm going to show you how to register for an account with Amrita Nutrition using the invite code given to you by your practitioner. Once your practitioner has sent their code to you, you can go to the website and click on either this tab here or the icon in the top right corner. Once you've clicked register, it will bring you to this page, and for the sake of the example, I'm going to use an email address that I have access to, and I'll make up a client's name. However, when you're setting up your own account, this will ideally be the email that your practitioner contacts you on. Then all you have to do is type in your practitioner's code or copy and paste it, and then click submit. This green box will come up, which prompts you to check your email for the account confirmation. It might take a few minutes, but if it doesn't come through from us, then please do check your spam folder. So when you receive this email, it will confirm that you used an invite code to set up your account. And also where it says my name there, it will actually confirm your practitioner's name. And you can follow that link there, and it will send you back to the website to create a password for your account. Once you've set up your password, you can click Activate Account. This means that you're now affiliated with your practitioner and can access the specialist products on the website. Also, you can access any protocols they send you. Don't worry if you don't have any protocols listed on the site. Your practitioner may not have sent any yet, or may choose to send them to you in another way. And you'll receive one more email as a final confirmation. Click here to see all of your account information. This is where you can manage your account from. Add any mailing addresses, track previous orders, manage your favorites, or change any other information about your profile. If you need any further assistance registering with us, please reach out to our Facebook or Instagram and we'll be happy to help. Alternatively, if you're having trouble using the website, you can call and we can register you over the phone.